What's up, guys? We are here on the farm. We are going to hunt some guinea fowl and pheasants for the weekend. Monday is youth day. Sorry. So it's a long weekend. I just spooked about a group of 6 pheasants. Before I walked in the gate. So yeah, guys, let's start hunting. Okay, well, guys, so far I've spooked another pheasant. I just didn't look at the place where the pheasant was. He was kind of hidden in the bushes, just there, around there-ish. Oh shit, a lot of haridas just landed on the farm dam. While I am repairing the blind. So here's one blind that I just made in 2 minutes, but the actual blind is actually there. Yeah, the thing with the black thing on it. It is a high bale holder thingy mindig. And I just put a trampoline net on it, and the brightness. Oh yeah, and I just put a trampoline net on top of it and some bushes on the side so that the guinea fowl in the mornings can't see me while I'm hunting them. Okay, guys, but we are quickly going to make a stalk on the haridas, or hopefully, yeah, on the haridas. Hopefully we can shoot one. I will catch you guys when I pull the trigger. Okay, cheers, guys. Guys, the bullets I am using are these 40 grain CCI solid points. They travel about at let me think, 1,300 feet per second. Yeah, the farm dam is just around there, so we are making a good stalk on the haridas. Okay, cheers, guys. Okay, never mind, guys. They all saw me, and here's some doves coming in. Oh no, it's crows. Sorry, guys. Yeah, but they are making a move there. Just a sunset hunt here on the farm for the weekend. Okay, yeah, guys. See you all tomorrow. Okay, guys. They are. You see that tank there? They are just on the left side of it. Between those 2 bushes there. They are there. Yeah, we are almost there. Okay, guys. Cheers, guys. I just spotted some chips and geese on the farm dam. So I am going to make a stalk through the bushes and hopefully try and get one. Okay, guys. Wish me luck. Yeah. Okay, cheers. Okay, guys. We are closing in on the distance.